All right, welcome back, guys. I'm really excited for you for all the things you are learning. These are the basic concepts that people usually struggle with as far as CSS is concerned. I personally struggled with the position property when I was starting out, but I learned the hard way. So, congratulations. You're not going to have the same struggle. So, on your own, you can decide to play around with these numbers and basically see things for yourself. And if you have any questions or any comment, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section. Now, the next thing we want to do now is what if we want to move the paragraph, right? What if we want to move the paragraph around? The way to do that is we're gonna put a selector for the paragraph. So let's do for this guy. So we're gonna do combine this selector. So now, because this guy already has a position property of relative, you just give for you to be able to move a child element around within the parent. You need to first of all make sure the parent has a position property of relative, and then make sure that the child has a position property of absolute. So it's a position absolute. Cool. Now, doing this will, okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of these guys just so we are sure that, um, and I'm gonna get rid of this guy too. Okay. So now I know we are dealing with box two, right? Which is this guy here. So when I gave it, um, hold on just a moment. Okay, so when I gave the child element a position property of absolute, I can say top, and I'll say 0 pixels. Okay, so I'm saying 0 pixels from the top of the parent element, right? I can say right. I can say right 0 pixels. It says 0 pixels from the right. I can say right 0 pixels, and then I can say top 0 pixels. Okay, so you see, right 0 pixels, top 0 pixels. Now I think there is a padding here. You know what? I'm gonna have to get rid of this padding and give this guy a height instead. So I'm gonna say height um 200 pixels, and I'm gonna save this. Okay, cool. So now you can see we are able to basically move this paragraph around within this element. Now, if I wanted to move it maybe outside, I just say minus. So I can do a minus 10 pixels, and you see it's already shifting outside. So what if I do minus 30 or minus 50 pixels? Then you see it goes outside the box towards the right. If I do left, okay, I got a similar behavior, but towards the left, basically. And then I can do this bottom, actually bottom, and I save. Okay, so it comes to the bottom. So basically, this is how you are able to, move things around either relative to the viewport or relative to another element, which is the parent of that particular element you are moving around. This is very, very useful when you want to start applying some really complex, when you're working on a really complex layout, design layout. So, so that's for static, relative, and absolute. In the next video, we're going to look at how we can achieve the fixed um, position. Right, we're going to see how we can achieve fixed position. So I'll see you guys in the next video.